my YouTube channel. Today we are going to deep dive into the seller dashboard feature that lets seller active or deactive their products. This is extremely useful for sellers who want to temporarily hide the skill or bring it back online without deleting it. We are covered to front-end buttons, the Ajax call, and the backend PHP process that updates the database securely. Front-end button. Dynamic text and colors. Red deactivate, product is activate. Green activate, product is inactivate. Data product ID. Hold the product ID so the JavaScript knows which product to toggle. On-click event calls toggle product status product ID is JavaScript. This allows each product card to control its own activation status individually. JavaScript function sends Ajax Force request to product process.php with product ID. Disable the button and shows processing in indicate the request is running. Updates the button color, text and border according to the new status. Show a temporary success message pop-up. Handle errors gratefully and re-enable the button. This ensures instant feedback without page reload. Backend PHP process. Authentication and authorization. Only logged in sellers can toggle product status. Prevents unauthorized user from changing data. Input validation. Checks product ID is a valid positive integer. Fetch current status. Queries database for products current status active or inactive. Also ensure the seller owns this product. Toggle logic active inactive active. Update database. Update product set status where ID and seller ID. Ensure only the seller's own products are updated. Join response. Returns success message and new status. Front-end JavaScript uses new status to update the button dynamically. Security is key. Check ownership and user role before updating the database. Summary. Button reflects product status visually. JavaScript sends Ajax request, backend validators, database updated. No page reload needed, smooth UX, secure and seller specific. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and hit the bell for more web development tutorial from DV Codex. See you in the next video.